After our great night camping in Sweden, we needed to get back to town because the Jimny need to go in for repairs. The problem is that the alternator sometimes stops charging and starts to smell. It sounds like an easy repair, but things turned out way different today. Our plan: go to the workshop, wait till they do a quick swap and then visit Marstrand in Sweden with Olaf. Hi, my name is Victor Bart and I'm on a 3-week trip with my Jimny in Scandinavia. Finally, I can get rid of this way too big tent. Look what a space I now have in the Jimny. Bye Jimny, good luck with the repairs. But we upgraded to Toyota.
Hell yeah, man.
So what kind of Land Cruiser is this?
Oh, this is a pure Corolla 05, 112 horsepower.
The waiting game began. I dumped the SD cards onto my laptop and edited a short video, and I took a shower. It took already way too long in my opinion. We are back in the mighty Toyota because the Jimny is ready to be picked up. Oh, what a beauty it is. And then you can also see the mighty 1.3 liter engine. Yeah, that looks nice and shiny.
Where is it? Oh,
it's under here. It's maybe difficult to see on the camera.
there it is. I see it.
Yeah, the correct tension on the belt.
How many stars do you give Autocar Mekonomen?
We need to see if it works.
Yeah.
But I think 3.5 out of 5 cavias because it was still pretty expensive to repair.
Yes.
And it didn't go as planned. I'm back in the workshop with a broken Jimny. When I drove out of the gate, the alternator belt started screaming. What did I do? Something isn't right, so I had to drive 300 meters before I could turn around. And then the belt snapped. The belt was only 3 days old. Again, failure. I drove back to the workshop and drove directly inside and parked it in the door opening. I was so pissed. What have they done wrong? I went into the office to discuss what happened. I didn't film it at first, but they agreed to fix it. So long story short, the problem was they mounted the belt on the side of a pulley, so it cut the belt in half. They ordered a new belt and mounted it. Serious, what workshop need 3 guys to mount 1 belt in a Jimny? Why? We lost so much time today that our plan to visit Marstrand wasn't possible anymore. So we went for pizza and I decided to continue my trip. And I promised Olaf I will be back to visit Marstrand, maybe next year, maybe 2 years, I don't know yet. See you! Bye!
Bye!
Let's go up north. I feel it in my stomach, like the tension, like the excitement of going just to the unknown and have no set plan and just see where I will end up. I got a tip from my Unimog friends to visit a car cemetery on the border of Sweden to Norway. So we're gonna visit that probably tomorrow in the next video. So today is the plan just to drive. And I found a nice B road that goes straight to it. We have just time and we can just explore and take the nice roads. Still, in 2 weeks I need to head down into Germany to the Willistreffe, but for the 2 weeks I can just go where I want. So yeah, let's go. I'm excited about this trip. Sweden, the land of endless roads, speed cameras, red houses and custom Volvos that are amazing on the road. But I didn't film any one yet. I filled up early because we're gonna drive back roads. A lot more twisty, lot more little hills and a lot more fun to drive. Look at this here is just amazing. The sun slowly goes under, but I'm like in a really nice driving mode. I really enjoy it here. But I think a wise decision is to look for a place to camp, because I think it will be dark in like 45 minutes. So yeah, let's look for a place to stay. Oh, I see a deer! It was jumping the road. I found a possible spot, so I'm gonna check if I can go in here. It goes into the forest. Oh, maybe I need some four-wheel driving here, but I think I can manage that. And then I can go here. And here it's like stone. And I'm a bit away from the road. Yes, this will be my spot. Maybe get some sticks out of the way. Ah, I think I found the perfect spot. Get rid of this one. This one is pretty big, so I can move it. I found the perfect spot for the Jimny to camp tonight. The forest is super quiet, you hear nothing here, and this track goes further down, but it's already blocked by like a fallen tree, like a small one, so I could move it and go further, but I think this is fine. It's like 70 meters off the road. So probably nobody will see me while driving there because of the trees. Today was a day full of mixed emotions, but in the end the road was so beautiful, really what I was looking for, and I saw some Dutch people driving here and found this amazing camping spot. Tomorrow we will go to the car graveyard, but tonight it was just too far to go there. And probably a bit airy to be there at night and camp like close to like a place like that with so much history and so much old stuff. I don't feel like that's a good plan. So if you want to follow me on my journey, please subscribe and like this video. And see you in the morning when we will drive off here and go further exploring on this amazing road.